throw there ended up on the bottom. Let's see what Davlatali can do here from side control. To keep in mind, this is B-class MMA, so no strikes on the ground are allowed. Oh, nice job passing to Mount there. And I think we've got a triangle in the works. Yeah, there we go. It looks like Delchev has his hand in between those, so that could be the saving grace for him. But fighters can still get tapped out. Wow, yeah, there another quick, slick submission here in cage number 2.
United Arab Emirates.
Congratulations, Team Tajikistan and Farhodi Davlatali.
In the blue corner, Tajikistan.
Quick submission finish there for Team Tajikistan's Farhodi Davlatali. Nice job. And then next up we have Team Lebanon against Team Romania. In the blue corner, about to enter a cage, we have Alin Balasui of Team Romania.
Over in cage 5, winner. From the red corner, South Africa. Over in cage 4, from the blue corner, Tajikistan versus the United States of America in the red corner.
Getting prepped into the cage, we have his opponent, Yahya El-Or of Team Lebanon. These are two smaller teams and federations in comparison to some of the other ones here, but two teams that definitely could make the splash. A lot of potential in both. Okay, here we go. Nice tight stance there from the Romanian. Balasui.
Over page 4, winner from the blue corner.
Oh, he went for a kick, gets caught, and taken down by Lebanon's El-Or. Oh, but nice reversal. They are going at it here. Balasui in the full guard here. Oh, El-Or was very close to a reversal there, but couldn't quite get it.
Mexico in the red corner.
A nice job from El-Or. Yeah, he used the cage to pretty much wall walk his way back to his feet. He's not out of danger just yet. Looks like Balasui had double underhooks, and oh, they're going at it like a couple alligators here, just rolling back and forth. El-Or still grounded, could get nice. Oh, he goes for a quick rear naked choke. That was a fantastic spin move there. Can Balasui get out of it? That looks tight though, but he could turn to his left side. He seems to be out of danger now. as he basically has his back towards the mat. That mitigates a lot of the danger. Depending on the squeeze, though, you could still get tapped out from that position, even if it's not ideal. Or a triangle here from Mount. I'm a little surprised that Elor is holding on to this grip so tightly. Okay, he moves to kind of a scarf hold position here from side guard, but it's traditionally a lot harder to get in MMA than in, for example, judo, where you have the gi to assist you. And once again, jockeying for position here, and now it's Balasui who ends up on top, and that's the danger when you're too focused and full mount and too top heavy. You could get reversed if your opponent bucks out of it. Not quite sure what Balasui is going for here. Perhaps also some kind of scarf hold. But if he's not careful, he could end up with Elor on his back. I like the way that Elor is trying to work his legs around. So he passes to full, to Mount. Final 10 seconds, and it's been kind of a back and forth battle, really. Okay, and we will go to a judge's decision. We have referee Haji Mohammed consulting with the other officials here. It was pretty close after all. Okay, we have a decision. It will be led